What is up, guys? Chaz here. Today I'm going to be talking about what Samsung Galaxy phones will get updated to Android Q. So first let's focus on the flagships. So guys, the Galaxy S10e, S10, S10 Plus are definitely gonna get it. So is the Galaxy Fold and the upcoming Note 10. Guys, the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus and Note 9 will also get updated to Android Q. Guys, I'm not so sure about the S8, S8 Plus and Note 8 because while they've already gotten two major OS upgrades, but the Snapdragon 835 is supported for Android Q because the Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL are getting Android Q, and Samsung can support the Exynos 8895 themselves for Android Q, so chip manufacturer support is not an issue. So honestly guys, the S8, S8 Plus and Note 8 should get Android Q in my opinion. There's nothing stopping Samsung from supporting the S8, S8 Plus and Note 8 in Android Q, but I cannot confirm these devices will actually get Android Q. Now guys, on to the A series. The Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus are probably going to get the update as these devices were launched with Oreo and are eligible for two major updates. The A7 2018 is also very likely to get the update, but as unfair as it seems guys, the A8 and A8 Plus 2018 are probably not going to get it because they launched with Android 7.1 Nougat and have already received two major updates. But guys, the A8s, known as the A9 Pro in South Korea, is almost definitely going to get it. So is the Galaxy A9 and all the 2-digit A series phones. They're going to get the update since these phones were all released this year, guys. On to the M series, guys. All three currently available M series phones will get the update, as well as any future M series phones. Guys, on to the Galaxy J series. I don't think any J series phones will actually get the update, guys, even though there are actually some Galaxy J series phones that started off on Oreo, but I don't think Samsung are going to release Q for any J series phones, not even the ones you'd expect to get it, because guys, recently Samsung announced the J series was dead and now want you to buy a phone from the new A series if you're looking for a cheap smartphone. So guys, I don't think any of the J series phones will get the update. So anyways guys, I did hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on notifications and comment down below your opinions on this. Anyways, bye guys.